Everyone, welcome back. So I'm gonna start off on some plain clean nails. Now I'm just gonna let you guys know this is my first time ever recording a nail video, and I'm in love with doing nails. Like, it's so fun to me. But yeah, I'm gonna start off with these nail tips and some nail glue. And this glue took a little bit to like dry, but it worked, and then I'm just gonna stick them on the correct finger size on all my fingers. And yeah, we're doing that. Okay, yeah, and then we're gonna stick on the thumb. Gosh, you see that glue takes forever to dry. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and clip the nails just a little bit shorter than they were, because low-key, I can't be walking around with like crazy stupid long nails because I need to function in life, and low-key, you can't even wipe your ass with like moderately long nails, so that was a struggle. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, cut them, and then I'm gonna file them down into the coffin shape that I wanted. I feel like everyone gets a coffin shape nowadays, but I like the coffin shape, so I use the coffin shape. And look at this bogus little nail file. I got this from my dad. I don't know where he had it, in like his little kit for like nails and stuff, and I took it from him, and it works so good. But yeah, now I'm gonna take this nail drill, and I'm just gonna file down the little, you see like where the nail tip and the nail meets. I'm gonna file that down, but I was actually watching some other nail videos, and I don't think I should have done it as much as I did. But it's okay, because low-key, I don't even care about the health of my nails. Like, my nails are so unhealthy, and I'm at the point where it's like, it's okay. You get, like, implants every, like, month. So, and those are acrylics. So, it's okay, if my nails are, like, ratchet under. I don't really care. But this is my nail brush. This is my monomer. I'm going to take a small bead of, I think this was the clear. Yeah, I'm going to take a bead of clear, and I'm gonna do the thing where you like encapsulate it, so you like trap the glitters in there. I don't know what to call it, and sorry that I'm so out of frame. Like, this is such a struggle. But yeah, I'm gonna start off with ombre the green, and I start off by laying the green down first, and I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put down clear acrylic first. This is my first time ever doing this, like with the whole ombre and colored acrylic, and this is my first time doing my nails in like literally years. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and work with the green all around, and then after I put on the green, you're gonna go ahead and see I put on the nude shade. Now your girl needs a nude shade, because this is not a nude. This was like a brown, but like it worked because like I'm brown skinned, so like it kind of blended in, but I want to get like a proper nude, so I gotta order some. If anyone has any good recommendations of like affordable like acrylic, please let me know, because all the acrylic sets out there be like $20 for an ounce of acrylic, and I'm just like shorty now. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that to all our little fingernails. That's me tapping with my acrylics that I currently still have on right now. And then yeah, I'm gonna start with the brown one on my cuticle, and that's what's gonna be my cuticle bead. Once again, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put a clear coat before you put like a thin clear coat before you put any of the colored acrylics. So if you're gonna do your nails, just do that. And then after that, I'm gonna cap everything. I'm gonna clear cap everything with some clear acrylic, and then we start with the drilling process. This had to be my favorite thing ever, because I don't know, I love the drill. The drill's like a steroid machine of a nail file. I mean, it's an electric nail file, but it's like a nail file on like steroids and drugs, literally like crack cocaine. I don't know. It just works really good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and file my nails down, and I have the little problem where like I don't even like know, I don't put acrylic on evenly, so like I'll have lumps and bumps. This is my first time doing it in years, so it helped a lot, take the nail file off these like lumps and bumps, make everything even. And how long did it take me to do these? Like 2 hours for one hand, bro. I was struggling. But yeah, I'm gonna go back in with the hand nail file and just sharpen up the shape, get everything super precise. And that hand nail file is just good for like stuff you don't want to like do too much on, because with the electric nail file, it's so easy to like go over. And then I'm gonna also sharpen up my the points, the shape, you know what I mean. And I'm taking this bogus little buffer brush. I've had this since like the first time I ever got like a nail kit. So I'm just gonna take that, and then I'm gonna take the Sally Hansen nail polish, and I'm gonna use that for my ring finger. My ring finger was my accent nail, which I made it a stiletto, and also my thumbs. I took it on that one because I wanted my thumbs to be a different color. I don't know. And then I'm gonna put a clear coat on top of all my nails. And I don't know, I just like shiny nails. I could have gone with a matte nail polish, but the shiny was kind of the move right now, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And by the way, I got a gel nail polish, so I literally just put that on top like 2 days after. And that was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Yeah, look at my nails. Them bitches popping.